Yeah, I'm continuing my tutorial on how to start blogging. So after clicking on publish from the last lecture, you can see it, Nicki Minaj fires Cardi B. I can just click on it. So and I can still edit or add some things. If I want to add a picture, I can as well add picture to what I'm doing. You can use any of these to add anything you want to add, links or anything. So once you finish, you can click on update. Once you update, you have your post. So that is actually, you can view your blog. If you want to see how other people will see this blog when they look at it, you can click here and say view blog. This site is under construction. Okay, I've not actually finished configuring the blogger so that I can use it. So in the subsequent class, I'm going to teach us how to configure this blogger so that other people can see. So that once I click on view blog, you can see what other people that are watching your blog are going to be seeing. Please, if you like this, click on the subscribe button. If you have any question relating to how to start blogging and how to be making money through your blog, how to sell, how to market your blog, how to start making money through blog. Actually, when you have a blog, you need to connect it to AdSense account so that when people keep clicking and when you keep generating traffic, you can start making money from it. So I'm going to be taking a series on blogging, teaching you everything you need to know on how to blog and make money from it. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. If you're in Nigeria and you need our services, always call me on my numbers everywhere on my website and the rest of it. Thank you. God bless you. Keep hooking up. In classes to come, we're going to dwell more on how to configure this blog so that you can start seeing it from anywhere. People can start seeing it. You can be using the blogspot web address until you have your own hosted domain where you can be giving out your blog content from. But for now, we're going to be working with the custom blog platform that Google already has in their system. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time. Oh, there are lots of posts on my blog. I used to be a blogger before I just settled in content creation. So you can see plenty things that I used to post when I was still having a blogspot services rendered on my system from my site.